Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add funds to Google Play Balance. For that you will have to launch your Google Play Store in your Android device and then you will have to click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that you will have to click on the option of payment and subscriptions. Now in the payment and subscriptions you need to tap on payment methods, and once you do this you will be redirected on this page where you are going to see your available Google Play balance and its expiration date as well. So over here, in order to add the funds into your Google Play balance, you first have to link your credit or your debit card or any other payment method with it. So over here you just have to scroll down and you are going to see the option of add credit or debit card. So you need to click on this option, and after that you need to provide your card number and further details relating to your card in order to link it with your Google Play account. Now once it is linked successfully, you are going to see the option of add funds. So you need to tap on add funds, and after using the payment method that you have selected, you will be able to add money into your Google Play balance. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.